all the fight scenes that happen in Golden Kamuy are very filmy, to say the least, if you will. Filmy is a term we would use in Bollywood to show like exaggerated parts of a movie, and
Not good exaggerated by the way.
Yes.
not good
Shah Rukh Khan
exaggeration.
could act as Sugimoto, yes.
Yeah, I shit you not. The only time I felt it was extremely filmy was when a bear was facing off with Sugimoto, and this Sugimoto was being Sugimoto. I am the immortal, with knife in hand and just going basically charging at a bear, which is a dumb thing to do. Don't do that shit.
He also tried to punch a bear in the beginning for some reason. You remember?
Multiple
He's like,
people
oh, this
punch a
didn't
bear.
work. But doesn't he
Okay,
realize it
one
doesn't work
dude-
the first time?
One judo dude who looks like Audi, except he has like a really tough forehead.
Oh, I've
literally
seen
punches
that guy.
a bear.
Yeah, I've seen that guy. With
Yeah,
the
that guy
fucking
punches
groove,
a bear and the bear runs away from him.
Oh my god.
That has
Basically-
happened actually before.
Dude, one of the bears claws Sugimoto in the face.
I saw this news about like a Japanese guy like punching a bear or something a few years ago.
Takamura.
Takamura, exactly.
But yeah,
But
basically,
see, even there it was used in like a humor thing, and then they explained like, okay, if you punch a bear right here,
Yeah.
it doesn't kill it. It just loses its sense of direction,
Oh.
and sometimes might
Don't-
lose consciousness because of
Don't they
the
kill it eventually?
weak point over there. But this dude punches the bear. The bear is like, oh no, sorry, and then runs.
yeah, there is some interesting fear mechanics to repelling a bear that
That
I
has
don't know if
actually
are
happened, by
actually
the way.
factual or not.
I'm not
sure.
this, but that has actually happened. The guy told you he was like hiking or camping or something in Japan in the north, and a bear came and he punched the bear, and the bear ran away. Apparently, there is an article. I did read that.
How?
Apparently, he spooked the
how
shit.
do you?
Yeah,
how
it
do
actually
you
happened,
face
dude.
off
I don't know.
Face
He's
off
like,
a bear
he's like,
and then
they
punch
interviewed
him in
him.
the nose.
They interviewed him, and he's like, I
close
got.
enough to punch
Yeah,
him.
yeah. They interviewed him. He's like, I have no clue what I was doing. I was just like in the moment, so I decided to punch him, and I was. And he's like,
How do
"Please,
we
no
know
one
that
do
this story is true?
Yeah, he's like, please, no one do this. This was a terrible idea. I just did in the moment. You'll get killed.
Well,
How
at
do we
least he
know
gave
it's
a
true?
disclaimer.
How do we know he didn't make it up?
No, it's
Yeah,
an
how do you
actual
know he
thing. It
didn't have
was
like
in-
a tiny
it was
bomb
in,
or
like,
something and just
news
threw it at the
stuff,
bear?
dude.
Yeah, but how did the news people find out?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
I don't trust this at all. It just seems absurd
Yeah,
that a
there's another
human
one.
could
See,
punch a bear.
Japanese man 63 fights off 6 feet bear using karate.
63!
6 feet bear. Yo, that's an adult bear at the
Tell
end
you
of the
who's
day.
there.
Bullets don't deter a bear. You're telling me this dude
He was
punched a
fishing
bear?
in a mountain creek when
Yeah,
you know,
no, yeah.
even in this manga, even in this absurd manga,
No, but
they're
this
like, don't
guy-
shoot the bear. The bear can block bullets.
No, but
The
this
bear
guy
keeps charging,
was
mind
bit
you. He
also.
gets shot
This guy
at
was
and he
bit
gets-
on the leg also, by the way.
Which adds more this thing. How the hell did he punch a bear after that? He just got maimed by a bear and he somehow had
I don't know if this
enough
was the guy who
balance
punched
and
the
strength
bear,
to punch a bear. Okay.
But yeah,
Oh my god.
no, I think this guy is different. This guy, I think he's saying he hit the bear's eyes and then the bear ran back into the woods. I think he punched the bear's eyes.
See, at least the eyes makes more
Yeah.
sense.
If
You
it's
know,
one,
if you go to a bear and you go poink,
Yeah.
it makes sense that
Yeah,
it'll
it
run
makes
away.
sense. Yeah.
if it's
But if
one
you just
thing,
punch it on its head, I'm imagining it's going to punch
if
you
you
back.
punch it on its head, it won't even feel it, dude. Like nothing's
yeah,
gonna
it'll just
happen,
look at you like yo, tu kya kar ke rahe? Just
Yeah,
push
one
you
is
away
saying
you're
like
nothing.
bullets don't penetrate that shit apparently. So I'm like, what did
Yeah.
the punch do?
And okay, considering if you have to take the manga in context, according to this situation, bears are supposed to be hungry as shit, and when they are hungry, they are fierce. They will not stop. Bullets don't stop them apparently. So I can't imagine a punch would stop this bear either. So
Yeah.
this bear is like, I see meat. I just see meat right now. I just see a lump of meat walking over there. I shall charge at it. So it
Not
feels
even
a
that,
bit of
dude. When they're
outlandish.
protecting
And you
their
guys
kids,
must have also seen
when
that.
you see them with their
you must-
kids, they're the worst. Mother bears are the
yeah,
worst when you find
bear,
their kids. They
bear
fuck
mothers are
you up.
supposed to be worse than
Yeah.
the regular bears or the male bears for that matter.
Regular bears, mothers and regular bears. Nice one.
Yeah,
Audi.
mothers are supposed to be much stronger.
But yeah,
You guys must have both have seen that part. It happens very early on where Asirpa is like, oh, my grandfather used to tell me that if you go into a bear's
Den.
whatever
yeah.
cave,
Is that
den,
true?
it
I have
won't
no
hurt
clue.
you.
I
I
call
don't know,
bullshit
but
on that.
Sugimoto
No, no, no.
jumps straight in.
But I'm
I
He's
call
like,
bull
oh,
on that.
humans on this
Bullshit.
side, I jump
Yeah,
into
yeah.
bear. And the bear is like, hey dude, what's up? Chill here. I'm gonna take care of those guys, you chill. And he pops his head out like, bear took care of them. Cool, cool.
What are the chances the bear just didn't look towards Sugimoto like, hey, घर पे क्या बैठे
Hey,
हैं?
I would think
what are you doing in
the-
my house? Hello?
Yeah, dude, the bear would just be like, oh, I guess I don't need to go out hunting today. The food has come to me
Yeah,
in my
Free meal,
cave.
well.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if that's true.
Bears
I
are
don't know.
strong is the conclusion. Do not take stupid measures against bears. I'm telling you, if it's one thing that the manga did right, it's that bears, they show bears in a very strong position at all times. But
Do
yet
they?
somehow the characters gain some stupid edge over the bears that just makes them die almost immediately. Like they will show some fodder character in front of a bear, and the bear all the bear will have to do is just go tick, and their face falls off. One dude's scalp got ripped off, and he had to tie it back up and bandage his whole head. One dude's face got ripped clean off.
The dude with
Sugimoto,
the face
but for some
ripped
reason,
off
Sugimoto
literally
also got
shoots
hit
the
in
bear
face.
after his face got
Yeah.
ripped off.
Mm.
How?
I have no idea.
He's literally, you can
In
see
face,
his skull.
And he's
And
just,
he's like, pew, pew, pew.
and then he
What?
just dies. Adrenaline.
What drove
that's
you
all I
to
could
go
say.
through that pain and blood loss to shoot the
Adrenaline.
bear, which can
Nothing.
block bullets but somehow killed?
Adrenaline.
I don't know,
That's
man.
all that you could probably attribute it to. Nothing else. It's supposed to be a very good fight or flight response. Nothing else. And they were soldiers, so they had probably trained for situations like this. But they
Yes,
probably
yes.
didn't train
Remember
themselves for a
when we
bear
trained
about
our soldiers by ripping off their face?
it.
That's not torture, that's murder.
Oh
Yeah,
my
but-
god. But
It's a shame.
bears do end up
because
cleaning
I
off
was-
faces. But then somehow Sugimoto gets clawed in the face, and he's just left with this tiny little scar that goes from here to here. His face is fully
Yeah,
intact.
he
He's
has
still
a couple of
Sugimoto the
scratches.
immortal, not Sugimoto the faceless.
And mind you, he actually recovers from those scars without, those wounds without a single scar extra on his face.
Wow,
He still
what?
has the regular scars,
Yeah,
but the
it's-
new scars from the bear don't even,
It's convenient.
they don't become scars, they just heal fully.
Ashirpa just managed to have some
He just
weird amount of
forgot
knowledge on
to-
bear fat.
He just forgot to draw those scars, probably.
Yeah, he just forgot.
No, as Audie said, Asirpa is like, here is this random plant I found. Done. Wow.
No. The
I see.
bear scratched him. She cut up the bear. She's like, oh, here is this bear fat from this random organ inside the bear. Put this on your face with this leaf on top of it, and your scars will just immediately fucking go away. One chapter healed. Scars are not even there anymore. It's like the incident
Okay,
never happened.
To be completely honest, it's just now in this podcast I had this itch and I forgot that I had a little scar over the little wound over here that I just scratched now. Okay, it takes longer for me for this little dot you can't even see on the camera to heal than it took for Sugimoto's
Yep.
bear clawed face to heal.
I thought it
Yes.
would be cool that Sugimoto would have this new scar across his face. It would be nice to see that it's like a nice
Like
battle mark.
like
But then it was
Yamcha
never
or
there.
some shit.
He already is a Yamcha.
Huh?
What?
He already is Yamcha.
Oh yeah, he already is
has
Yamcha.
the scars.
Yeah. One more across his eye, like Kakashi. You mean like the one across?
Except he's more like Goku in terms of power scaling in this
Yeah.
manga.
Sugimoto the immortal, more like Sugimoto the
Hey, at least
impenetrable.
Goku.
Nothing can fucking
Hey,
touch
at
him.
least
apparently.
Goku tries hard and spends like 5 episodes trying to turn into Super Saiyan. Okay, we gotta give that much credit to him.
Yeah, on the one hand, we have manga that almost immediately heals scars. On the other, we have manga that goes on for like 5 years in one fight.